The year 2022 has been a challenging one for the cryptocurrency market as a whole, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, has seen a decline in its market value of about 65% over the full year of 2022. Fans of cryptocurrencies were taken aback when a string of unfavorable occurrences, such as the crash of Terra Luna, the collapse of the largest cryptocurrency exchange, FTX, and the looming conditions of the macroeconomy, occurred all at once. Yet, everyone is pondering several things, the most pressing of which is, what will take place after this? Will the price of Bitcoin ever go back up? Or will it experience the same catastrophic failure as in 2022? Welcome to Crypto News. Today, we will talk about 2023 Bitcoin pump. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. At this time, the price of a Bitcoin is $22,580.90, reflecting a loss of 1.55% over the previous 24 hours. The most recent price action in Bitcoin has brought the total value of all tokens on the market to $435,164,637,864.20. Bitcoin's value has increased by 36.66% since the beginning of this year. Under the CoinDesk Digital Asset Classification Standard, Bitcoin is categorized as a currency, DACS. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever to operate without the oversight of a centralized authority. It is a digital asset that employs public key cryptography to record, sign and send transactions across the Bitcoin blockchain. Under the guise of the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, an unknown computer programmer or group of programmers debuted the Bitcoin network, with an uppercase B, in January 2009. The network is a peer-to-peer electronic payment system that employs a cryptocurrency called Bitcoin, lowercase b, to transmit money over the internet or act as a store of value like gold and silver. The network is also referred to as blockchain technology. The smallest unit of Bitcoin is called a Satoshi, and 1 Bitcoin equals 100 million Satoshis. Because of this, each Bitcoin may be divided into 8 decimal places. This means that anyone can buy a fraction of a Bitcoin for as little as $1 US. Market analysis. The year 2022 was a difficult one for the crypto industry. The value of the market dropped by more than $1.3 trillion due to the sell-off. And the value of Bitcoin, the most widely used cryptocurrency in the world, fell by more than 60%. Investors were taken aback as a tsunami of failures swept across the business, ranging from the stablecoin project Terra USD to the cryptocurrency exchange FTX and a deteriorating general economic environment. Those who attempted to forecast the price of Bitcoin over the past year have been extremely off base. However, now that the year 2023 has here, some market professionals have put their money where their mouth is by making price predictions for what may be another tumultuous year. The increase in interest rates that are occurring all around the world is harming risk assets such as equities and Bitcoin. Investors are also keeping a close eye on how the drama surrounding FTX, which led to the arrest of the company's founder Sam Bankman-Fried in the Bahamas, will play out. The fluctuation of the Bitcoin price over the past few years. When we talk about the evolution of Bitcoin's price and how it has changed since the cryptocurrency was first introduced, it will take an undeniably long time because Bitcoin was first introduced in 2009. Since that time, the price of Bitcoin, like the price of every other cryptocurrency, has experienced significant price swings. We monitored the movement of the Bitcoin price in 2021 to determine its volatility level. On January 9, 2021, the price of 1 Bitcoin had climbed by 559% compared to the same day the previous year, as reported by CoinMarketCap. The latest Bitcoin Taproot update is one element that has contributed to this increase. Bitcoin's price reached a new all-time high in less than a month in 2021, setting a new milestone. On January 7, 2021, the price of BTC reached a new all-time high of $40,000. Then, in the middle of April 2021, the price of Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $60,000. Coinbase's decision to go public on April 14 accounted for a significant portion of this enormous gain. Unfortunately, the price of Bitcoin fell by 50% throughout the summer of 2021, and on July 19, 2021, it reached its all-time low of $30,000. A few months later, in September 2021, the price of Bitcoin made a brief and insignificant recovery to reach $52,693. After almost 2 weeks had passed, there was a significant withdrawal, which resulted in the price falling all the way down to $4,709. On November 7, 2021, the price of Bitcoin achieved a new all-time high of $67,549. The price of Bitcoin reached its all-time high at that point in 2021. The price was eventually reduced to $49,243 at the beginning of December 2021. According to CoinMarketCap, the value of one Bitcoin in US dollars was $16,835 at the time. Will Bitcoin make another comeback? Just a week ago, Bitcoin, the most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, was trading for somewhere about $25,000 at various points. Last week, Bitcoin's price plunged about 5% from its all-time high to a low of less than $22,000, shattering the expectations of crypto fans. Investors have shifted into a defensive stance due to a lack of information regarding rate hikes in the United States and other important macroeconomic issues. Meanwhile, India's severe attitude toward cryptocurrencies continues, as the government has now brought all crypto-related transactions under the purview of the money laundering statute. This is part of India's ongoing effort to combat money laundering. In a Gazette notification, the Union Ministry of Finance of India said that the Prevention of Money Laundering Act would apply to all transactions involving virtual currency or digital assets. This decision was made under the provisions of the legislation, PMLA. On the other hand, this action has been applauded by the industry because it is a step towards regulating this field. If there are no regulators, the enforcement agencies will directly take recourse to any inconsistencies resulting from this move. As this article is being written, Bitcoin's average daily trading volume has surpassed $21 billion. It had only been a week prior that Bitcoin, BTC, was trading easily over $25,000, marking the first time in the previous 6 months that this had occurred. Bitcoin had demonstrated remarkable growth and climbed by about 14% over the previous 2 weeks. Once it broke through key resistance levels at $16,800, the Bitcoin price started showing signs of improvement, which should be observed. The price started moving more quickly and has been displaying bullish signals up until now. Let's take a look at what the technical indicators are showing us right now and see what kind of image they paint. A neutral zone for the hourly moving average convergence/divergence (MACD) indicator. The hourly relative strength index (RSI) for BTC/USD is currently at 50. Support levels, more than $23,000. Resistance levels, $22,000. The halving event for Bitcoin is scheduled to take place in 2024, which is one of the reasons why market watchers are bullish on the cryptocurrency. The Bitcoin halving event occurs once every 4 years and reduces the rewards given to Bitcoin miners by half. The payout to miners will be decreased to 3.125 BTC. Since the halving helps in contracting supply, this occurrence is widely regarded as having a beneficial impact on the price of Bitcoin. In the past, half of the block reward has been regarded as a highly positive indicator for giving upward momentum to Bitcoin's price. Experts' prediction of Bitcoin price in 2023. The price of Bitcoin is continuing its downward trend today. Given these circumstances, what do you think the Bitcoin price will be in 2023? Every cryptocurrency specialist will most likely have a unique assessment or forecast regarding the price of Bitcoin. Nevertheless, despite the recent price drop and volatility, many of them continue to have faith that Bitcoin's value will eventually reach $100,000. Tech News Leader's Bitcoin price prediction for 2023 projects that the cryptocurrency's value will rise to $42,664. In the meantime, Digital Coin Price forecasted that the final price of Bitcoin for this year would be $43,011. This number is only somewhat higher than what was predicted by Tech News Leader. According to one more Bitcoin price estimate from Crypto Price Predictions, the price of Bitcoin might reach around $37,450 at the beginning of 2023. This prediction is based on the fact that the current price of Bitcoin is. Additionally, the website forecasted that the price of Bitcoin will remain at a minimum of $65,000 throughout the year. During this time, the analysts forecasted that the highest price of Bitcoin will go beyond $72,000 in the year 2023. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more In the comments section below, let us know which part of the video you liked the most. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout-out. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.